going to learn how our body fights cancer cells, and also we're going to learn about how cancer cells form. So why do cancer cells form in the first place? So they form because our gene keeps on mutating. So a healthy cell will just turn it into yellow. It'll divide into... So cells do not look like this, but just to make it easy, I'm doing that. It'll divide, but then these errors keep on building up. So I'll just draw damaged cells like this. So these errors keep on building up, and then until the cell has is a cancer cell. So the cancer cell is this. So these are errors in the genes, of course. So their genes get corrupted over time. But how does this? But why? But cancer cells form it all of the time. So why do we get cancer if cancer cells form all of the time? Why don't we get cancer? We don't get cancer mostly because our immune system is designed to stop it. So let us say this is an immune cell will basically be in red. So I'll just put the immune cell. So in this case, it's a killer. It's a T cell, not a natural killer cell. Sorry. So all cells are supposed to have MHC class 1 molecules. So not NHC, MHC. So this is the MHC 1 molecule. So since it also shows what is going on inside. So some suspicious proteins include oncogenes, so which are not supposed to be there when you're an adult, but they make your cells grow more than normal. So if a T cell detects a suspicious protein, then it uses cytokines to tell the cancer cell to kill itself. Sorry that I forgot to draw the eyes. So these cytokines order the cancer cells to kill themselves. So these cytokines in particular do that. But what if the cancer cells stop making MHC class 1 molecules? So let us just say that this is a cancer cell. So I'll make a new one. So let us just say this is a cancer cell, and it's not making any MHC class 1 molecules. So if it is not making any, then how does the T cell figure it out? It doesn't. Well, how do our bodies find cancer then? Well, there's something else. There's another cell that can also do the same thing, called a natural killer cell. So this is the natural killer cell. So if it does not detect an MHC protein, it orders it to kill it orders the cancer cells to kill the cancer cells. But you may ask, why do cells listen to their commands? Well, I should have explained this in the at the top at the start of the video, but for now, let me just tell you, cells are not like humans at all. They cannot make their own decisions. They just listen to the proteins inside them. So that is what happens. So that is why nearly all of your cancer cells will in your lifetime will be killed. So now that so that is why we sometimes get cancer. So let me draw something of it. So this is a cancer cell. It'll get defenses after a while. If it gets if there's too many of them, then it'll grow defenses. So yeah. So now it will grow defenses. So then so now the cells will. So then now they will start to attack the immune system. So it'll also release cytokines that tell the immune system to kill itself, since cells are like that. So they also release cytokines after a while. So this is the cytokine, and now it orders the immune cells to kill themselves. And also there's something called apoptosis that also stops cancer cells from forming. So don't worry. You'll probably not get cancer in your lifetime. So if you like our videos, then subscribe, like and subscribe, and question us in the comments below.